GCash Bills Payment. Pay your Meralco bills using GCash. And if you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. First, open your GCash app on your phone. Then enter your MPIN. And then here, tap Pay Bills. Since ang babayaran ko ay Meralco bill, I'll tap this Electric Utilities. And then look for Meralco. Meron ditong dalawang Meralco. Yung isa yung prepaid, which is Meralco Kuryente Load. And yung normal na connection is yung Meralco, yung binabayaran monthly, na may nare-receive tayong bills. So, I'll tap this Meralco. And then, under Pay For, select Total Current Amount. And then, for Meralco reference number, either i-scan mo yung barcode sa bill mo or enter the 26 Meralco reference number. So, itry muna natin yung pag-scan. So, I'll tap this. And then, let's scan here. And then, biglang may nag-reflect na number dito. So, ulitin ko lang. Pagka-scan, itatapat ko lang sa barcode sa baba nung total amount due. And then, hintayin lang natin. Medyo nahihirapan siya. So, balik tayo kanina. And then, enter the amount to pay. So, ang bill ko ngayon ay 1,183 pesos and 96 centavos. And then, optional lang naman tong email. Pero, naging habit ko na maglagay dito para sa proof of payment. So, tap ko to. And then, enter my email address. And then click next. MRN must be 26. So, delete ko to. So, dahil in-enter natin manually yung reference number na 26 digits, kailangan mo i-double check na tama yung number na ilalagay mo rito para hindi tayo magkaroon ng problema bandang huli. So, reviewin ko lang. And then, after ma-review yung details, click next. And then, I have to pick one. Merong laman yung GCash wallet ko na 2,200 and eligible na din ako for G-Credit. Next time, gagawa ako ng video about G-Credit. So, by default, naka-check yung GCash wallet itong nasa unahan. And then, click next. And then, review all these details. And kung tama lahat, click confirm. And here's the confirmation number. And that's it. Naging successful naman yung transaction ko. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please let us know by clicking the like button. And you may also check these videos. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye.